Well, as the change of seasons blow in, many of you out there are dreading what that means in terms of your vision.
Yeah, we're talking about those of you that suffer from dry eye. It's actually a condition that affects 4 out of every 10 people. Scott Wasserman's here now to tell us about a new treatment that actually can help millions of people. This could be some great relief, Scott.
You know, great relief, especially as we come into winter, because winter is one of the toughest times for people here in the Twin Cities. You get the dry air and then the dry eyes. If you don't know what dry eyes are all about, just imagine this. If you wear glasses or have contacts, there's a smear on your glasses, your contacts get dry and you can't see. Well, we can take our glasses off, wipe them off, our contacts out, and change them over, put saline in there, and then we can see. Well, these people, by the end of the day, they can't even read. Imagine that, not even be able to read what you're doing on the computer. And there really wasn't a definitive treatment to cure this until now.
There's not a lot of heat, but this does make it a little bit more comfortable.
At the True Vision Institute in Bloomington, Wanda Jackson is getting one step closer to improving her quality of life.
It gets really frustrating. Very frustrating. You know, you start out okay, and then as the day goes on, it gets worse and worse.
Wanda's talking about dry eye.
I work with numbers, so, you know, by afternoon, it's really hard to read paperwork.
I place it gently against the side of your face, and you're going to feel a little flash. Here we go.
Today, Wanda's getting a new treatment called Intense Pulse Light Treatment, or IPL.
Perfect.
Once used by dermatologists to treat skin conditions, doctors learned it also helped those with dry eyes.
IPL is a therapy where we use light that's absorbed by the oxyhemoglobin in the capillaries, and it actually helps grow more collagen, but it helps heal the glands that are damaged in dry eye disease.
With more than 30% of his patients suffering from dry eye, this summer, Dr. Ralph Chu's clinic became one of 14 in the country to offer the service.
I think it really helps them see better and live more comfortable lives with their eyes.
I love my crafts, and I can sit still. I just need to do things.
Brigitta Pond is an avid sewer, knitter, and loves crochet, and obviously she relies on her eyes to do her crafts. But for years, it was difficult, as she too suffered from dry eye.
It's very bad. You cannot see the precise, when you need the precise vision, you cannot see it. Then your eyes been so dry and clouding over.
The air conditioner, that was Brigitta's biggest trigger. It became so bad, she'd wake up in the morning with her eyes sealed shut. Less than 2 months ago, she went in for her first treatment. This video provided to us by Dr. Chu's office. 3 treatments later.
Right away after the treatment, I said, ooh, I can see again. It makes a world of difference.
Yeah, and she was so happy as she was talking to us that she didn't really suffer from that dry eye anymore, and she's just able to do her crafts and be able to see everything. Now you might be asking yourself, do I qualify for this therapy, and how much does it cost? Well, the treatments, they're anywhere between 2 and 4 treatments, and it costs between $1,000 and $1,500, and it's not covered by your insurance. And if you think that you might be a candidate for this therapy, you should see your eye doctor, and they'll tell you, and then you can seek out where to get it. Back to you guys.
10 at 10 starts now.